Hi, my name is Julie Rickert, and I am your student's English 12 or English 103, 104 English teacher for this school year. What a crazy year. Welcome to our virtual open house. A little bit about me. I am in my 25th year of teaching. My husband teaches over at Hilliard Darby. He is also an English teacher. And I have two kids. Jack is 15 and Lily is 11, soon to be 12. Just what a crazy year this is. But I've really enjoyed getting to know your kids. It's so much fun to have them in person. I like Zoom because I get to see their faces, and we only get to see half of their faces now. But I love getting to know their personalities, what they like, what they dislike, and it's just so great to see students this year. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what you can find out about my classes, and then we'll just move on. So as you can see, I am on Canvas right now, and really everything you need to know for my class is on Canvas. So if I have your son or daughter in English 12, I just we'll open it. This is the home page. I think everybody is aware of these home pages these days. You would click modules, and then you can see everything that you need. I have a place for agendas, so if you ever need to know when something is due or what we're doing during the day, you can go there. And then I have modules, and right now we're working on the Common App essay, and everything is right here. Anything they need is right on Canvas. I think, you teach seniors, so I think you're pretty used to this stuff. Likewise, if I am teaching English 103, which is dual enrollment through Kenyon College, I would click on 103, and then again, I would click on modules. And here's everything you need, agendas as well. And then right now we're starting with short stories, and pretty soon we are going to begin Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, which is one of my favorites of all time. And your student already has that just in case we have to go into remote, but fingers crossed we'll stay in hybrid for a long time. If you ever need to get a hold of me, please email me, Julie_Rickert@hboe.org. I will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you if you need anything, and I love teaching your students. And there went the lights. Oh, have a great night.